Hello and welcome to Food and Barbecue. Let's bake a gingerbread cake. Anyway, this is low carb and it's gluten free, and you start off by mixing the dry ingredients. Recipe will be below as always. Once they're mixed, put them to the side and take some of the melted butter and butter your pan. I'm going to be using a fourth of a recipe, but it's going to be good. Into the butter, add the gingerbread spice, also below, and after you have that, you take 2 eggs, you add the vanilla to that, and you whisk it thoroughly so it's thoroughly combined. Chop up 5 to 10 almonds, add them to the butter mixture together with add them to the eggs with the butter and the dry ingredients. Mix it all to a smooth, creamy consistency and add it to the pan. Into the oven, and once it's done, this is what you have. Flip it over, bang it a few times to get it out of there. Because there is no breading, it's a little bit harder to get it off. Any which way, there we go. Take a piece, and you could eat it as it is, or you could cut it into the slices. Add a little bit of cream, add a few berries. We're using raspberries from the freezer here. Cover it in cream, a couple of raspberries on top, and there you go. You have a cake. There we go, some New Year's cake, low carb. Let's try it. Well, since I'm against the sweeteners, there are none in here. And of course that means it's not very sweet, but it's not very savory either. I'm just gonna try a little bit piece of the cake. There's marginal cream on this. Moist, like a sponge cake, the way it should be, I would say. Save the sweetness, but I can live with that. Thank you for watching. Bye.